A chance on a guy who rode a Ninja 250. That's about it. That's it. Just Sean. Just Sean. Isn't there a guy in his ZX14? No, I don't ride with those guys.
This is HD, Ultra HD voice mode on a Sena SMH10 Sena GoPro.
I don't. I usually don't ride with ZX14 guys. They're pompous assholes.
We are pompous assholes.
There are photo lights around here.
GoPro Pack and a GoPro Hero 3 Plus Black Edition. I hope this comes out much better. What's up, everybody? Mark here.
Can I get over? Nope.
No.
Hang on, John. Stay right there, Johnny boy. Coming in.
John's running the fast deflection here.
Just getting out. Been a long, badass winter. It's Michael Knight. Anyway, it's been a long, bad winter.
That's it, Johnny. Yo-ho, hey, yo-ho, and a bottle of rum.
Come on up. Let's go.
I'm looking.
Here in New York, but spring has sprung, and damn, we got out last weekend, getting out this weekend. Beautiful weather is finally here. Well, it's not beautiful, but warmer weather is finally here. So
well, good, David. David's got to get a freaking I want to know what to call him on video. I was going to call him Davey Mac. The Mac Attack. That's maybe I'll call him that.
Everybody's starting to dust off their machines, but I wanted to know. I know other people have vlogged about this, but I haven't spoken to too many people who I know. But I wanted to know what you guys do over the winter if you can't ride.
Oh, David M. Dave M.
Dave M.
What does he want? I mean, what is he known as?
I don't know if he wants.
I don't know if he's known.
Is he on YouTube?
There's a lot of people who ride because they have nice weather year-round, and I'm very jealous of that. But I wanted to know if you're in a predicament like me. Oh, that doesn't look good. Shouldn't that axle be on the truck?